Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this wall-mounted PTC heater. It is the BL-K10-D. That is a wall heater with 1000 watt and 2000 watt power as you like. It's an electric heater with 60 degrees wide angle heat release. The heater comes with an LED display and a remote control. 12 hours timer and, on top, weekly timer. You can program this device for every day of the week as you like. This is suited for indoor use, of course. We have a wide temperature settings and wide angle heat output. The PTC ceramic heater provides a wide temperature setting of 18 up to 45 degrees Celsius to meet the individual heating needs of different people. And in combination with the oscillating air supply, ensures a wide angle heat output so that the heat is evenly distributed into every corner of the room to improve the overall heating effect. We have an intelligent control. With the remote control function, we can conveniently and easily adjust the operation status of the electric heater. With the built-in 12-hour timer, we can set heating time according to our work schedule, saving our energy, of course. And a weekly timer and an LED display with the unique weekly time function. We can set the work schedule daily to meet individual heating needs at different times of the week. With the intuitive LED display, the operation is simple and clear. The temperature, time, and other informations at a glance. We touch operation in sensitive and convenient use. And we have an Ethian double power selection, because this wall heater has two heating modes, 1000 watt low and 2000 watt high, which can be flexible adjust to the actual needs to not only meet the need for fast heating, but also save energy and retain heat to create just the right heat experience for our home or office environment. And this electric heater is wall-mounted. It is equipped with an advanced overheating protection system that automatically interrupts the power supply if the temperature inside the device is too high. This avoids potential safety risks and ensures the safety of our family. The heaters should be hung on the wall and make the wind outlet down. To place the flat appliance, we must not place the precipitated too tipsily, of course. We use only a voltage specific on the rating plate of our heater. The heater must not be located immediately below a socket outlet. We do not cover or restrict airflow to the inlet or exhaust grills in any manner, as the appliance overheat and become a fire risk, for example. We do not block the air inlets or outlets in any manner. We check the openings from time to time for accumulated dust. We do not place the appliance close to a radiant heat source. We do not operate the area where gasoline, paint, or flammable liquids are used or stored. We do not use the appliance to dry clothes. We do not insert a lever for hanging objects to enter any ventilation to exhaust opening, as this may cause an electric shock, fire, or damage to the appliance. We do not operate any appliance with a damaged cord or something else. And you see, the installation process is really easy. We have only to drill 2 holes in 420 millimeter range, and it should be 2 meters from the floor. And then, of course, the operation is easy too, as you can see in that video. We have the operation timer on-off, heat, and swing option, timer option, and temperature option. And we have a remote control, on-off heat, temperature, timer, swing, up-down, set, cancel, and a K button. So we connect to any 220 up to 240 volt 50 watt AC source. We press the power switch at the back side, the heater standby. The LED will display the room temperature. Then we should a remote control or a button control to operate that device. We press on and off the heat button to control the panel of the heater. Once press on off button to remote control, the indicator heat light will turn to blue and blow the low heating wind. Then we press on again, control the heater for twice, or press the heat button on the remote control. The indicator heat light will turn green and blow the high heating wind. If we push again the control panel heater for the third time, then or on the remote control on off, it will stop the heating function. After blow about 15 seconds, the lower close and the product goes to standby mode. When the product working, we press the swing button on the control panel or the remote control for once. The indicator light to swing turn on. It produces swinged for blowing. We press the button twice, the indicator turns off and it stops with swimming. When the product works, we can press the timer function to control the timer. And of course, we can control this after we set the watch on it, the clock, and then we can separately perform this every day of the week for another hour and how much hours it should be worked. Really easy setup, and that's cool because this heater comes in an easy peasy installation process and in a much easier operation process. It's the BLK10D. Its rated voltage is 220 up to 240 volt. The rated frequency is 50 Hz and 60 Hz. The rated power is up to 2000 watt and the protective class is 2. Of course, this really cool device makes a good job on our rooms. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.